Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a QR code generator using Python. The first step is to download the QR code library that helps us to create QR code easily without writing complex logic. Then we'll import that QR code, and the second step is the data for the QR code. In my case, I will be taking a LinkedIn link as a data that is stored in the data variable. And then third step is to create a QR code object. Here we have three things. One is version, which will be 1, which controls the size of the QR code. If the version is higher, the more complex it is. The box size 10 means each small square in the QR code will be 10 pixels. Border is equal to 5. Adds a border around the QR code to make it scannable. The fourth step is to add data to the QR code. Here we add our data into the QR code using add data and tell the Python to automatically adjust the QR code so the data fits properly. Then we will create the image of the QR code where the dots will be in the black color and the background color will be white. And then we'll save that image as .png and then we'll display the image. And again you can see that we can directly scan that QR code and we'll be getting the LinkedIn profile. Thank you.